Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video of Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up for your Sketchbook account. Keep watching the video till the end. To sign up for your Autodesk Sketchbook account, firstly open your Google search. Type in Autodesk Sketchbook and make a search. The search results will be displayed on the screen. Tap on login link shown on the page. Click on profile icon at the top right side of the screen. Click on create account option. Enter your first and last name and your email address. Confirm your email address by re-entering it. Create a password for your Sketchbook account. Tick mark on the box below password section to agree to the terms and conditions of Sketchbook and tap on create account. Tap on the images and click on verify to verify that you are not a robot, and that's how you will be able to sign up for your Sketchbook account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.